Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 20 on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. My lord, in this case, we have just received the missed case day before yesterday. So, my lord, we will require some time to go through and to
What for Miss Case?
for implement of the Lokoyokta, my lord. Implement of Lokoyokta.
Who filed the Miss Case?
Respond number 2, my lord, the complainant. So we'll be requiring some time, my lord, to go through and to respond to the missed case. Can you grant me some time,
Respondent is needed to be filed.
lordship?
Was there any order passed by this court allowing you to file a Miss Case? This Miss Case was filed for what? That the court has not got it.
Lordship,
What is the prayer in Miss Case?
on the last occasion, they had prayed that they want to file a missed case, my lord, the respondent number 2 complainant,
For what?
for implement of the Lokoyokta, my lord.
For implement of Lagayukta.
Lordship.
Now have they filed an application?
Lordship, we have just received
Seeking implement or raising maintainability of the matter for not
like seeking implement. So, can you grant me some time, my lord?
Yes. What is the Miss Case? Miss Case number is what?
You have not given us the copy also, no? Have given.
Then Mr. Ranger, wait for the matter to come, then we'll pass an order.
Lordship,
If you,
he's mentioning item 20. I'm in item 21. Similar implement application has been filed by the private respondent number 2. So we pray for some time to file objection.
exactly, that is what. But then where is this application? Where is the Miss Case numbers?
Miss case number for me it's MCW Criminal 3 of 2024.
Whether those are there in the list today?
It has been filed yesterday.
It's not, I don't think it has come in the list, Your Lordship. Huh?
The list was out last.
Not yet.
No.
This has not come. This has not come.
It has not been listed, Your Lordship.
Anyway, I'll just pass order in the writ petition then.
Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Lord, counsel for the petitioner in both the matters, the submits that a miscellaneous application has been filed by the respondent number 2,
Your Lord.
seeking implement of.
Chairman Meghalaya Law Ayukt
Shall we? Acha, okay. Chairman Meghalaya Ayukt
and Secretary.
Chairman and Secretary of the
Chairman and Secretary of Meghalaya Law Ayukt.
Lokayukta. In the writ petition number, in the writ petition. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that they require some time to file a response to the application for implement. The prayer is allowed. Come on. This matter after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19. Lordship, I prefer 2 weeks' time as the conducting counsel is on leave, Your Lordship.
Item number
19.
You are making a mention on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your
No.
Lordship.
This is the matter where compromising.
Yes,
and
settlement.
no,
No,
you
there's
have
no
not.
settlement process, Your Lordship.
Initially, there was, Your Lordship. Initially, there was, and the government also, they've been paying on installment basis, but that also stopped, defaulted, Your Lordship.
They have not paid.
No, Your Lordship.
So the settlement was acted upon to some extent.
Yes, it was to some extent, then they defaulted again, Your Lordship. And as for now, presently, there's no settlement.
Okay. Anyway, right now you do not have any objection to it.
No, Your Lordship.
Okay. Just wait for by the learned counsel for the petitioner. This is matter for 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I beg to mention item number 22.
Yes.
This it will come after 3 weeks.
What is the matter about?
Regarding this POXO, this matters has been they filed the joint application for.
Whether
was-
this issue is pending before division?
Yes, my lord, it's pending, and I have seen from the website it is listed somewhere in the month of February 25.
The matter before the division bench.
Yes, my lord. It's coming most likely on 4th of February 2025. It was not decided, it was listed on the 5th of
There are a number of
November.
matters on that
Yes, my lord.
on the same question pending before this court. So if that remains pending, these also will get pending. Anyway, just say on the joint request of the parties, list this matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
May I please your lordship, similar order may be passed in 23 also. Item 23 is also same.
Same.
Yes, my
Same
lord,
one.
similar.
Just you check the names. Yes.
Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. But I mentioned item number 24.
Item number?
24, Your Lordship.
24 is same issue, your lordship.
Same issue.
Lordship.
That also same. Same. Yes. Yes.
May it please your lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 13, lordship.
Item number?
13. Lordship. Lordship, it's a joint prayer.
Yes.
It's a joint prayer,
Joint prayer,
lordship.
Your Lordship. It's a joint prayer, Your Lordship.
It's a joint prayer, 2014 matter.
Your Lordship, the learned TSGS on legs before court number 2, Your Lordship.
That cannot be ground for adjournment just because a lawyer is busy in another. There is a law in this regard.
State is not a contesting party.
So you are neither here nor there. State is only the recommending authority. That the rate was forwarded, whatever the. Okay, on the joint request made on behalf of the petitioner in the respondent number
1 to 3, Your Lordship.
1, 2, 3. Come on. List this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Earlier.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25.
Item number
25. I'm praying for 1 week time, Your Lordship.
yes. Mr. Sir.
Lordship, yes. Let it be after 2 weeks, 2 weeks, your lordship.
Okay, Your Lordship.
As requested by the London Council of the Appellant. This is matter after 2 weeks.
All right.
Yes.
Please, lordship. I beg to make mention item 14, your lordship.
Item 14.
Lordship.
Yes.
For 2 weeks time.
Medical ground ownership can't help. Mr. Fall is having some.
It's all right. You see, if the parties are not interested in taking your matters, that is what we can understand.
Absolutely.
But then one thing, old cases,
Your lordship.
it's a burden for the court.
Very true.
Otherwise, for the prayer of adjournment, this court accommodates. You see, like new
Yeah,
cases.
you are aware of it. This court is very
The
lenient.
parties do not have any objection. But then these are things you see.
2015 matter.
So, see, 9-10 years old matters. That is all. Okay, as
2 weeks.
is requested by the Learned Council for the petitioner and not objected to by the Learned AG appearing for the state respondents. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Oblige, Lordship.
May it please, lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we are supposed to file our written submissions in this matter, lordship, before arguments.
Is it?
Lordship,
Have you completed oral submission?
lordship, it was concluded, but then
Probably
we had
the understanding
to
was
hear
that
again.
you will be filing a written notes along with
Yes,
the
sir.
oral submission.
Yes, lordship.
There is
Written
no
notes.
order
No, lordship.
directing you filing written submission. So anyway, yes, you want time, you say.
Lordship, our written notes are already ready, but then there's some
So
corrections.
you
we
want
made,
some more time. Yes.
lordship.
No objection, my lord. My notes are ready. I'll
But then only thing is that, see, Mr.
we'll have to rehear it again.
You have to again refresh the.
Yes, my lord.
Forgot. So there is a gap. In between.
Yes. On the next sheet, my lord, I'll try to make it as short as possible, my lord. Just to recap, my lord. And
Probably this matter is stuck only on that issue
yes,
that once a matter stands judicially settled,
yes,
whether the issue can be reopened by an administrative order.
yes, yes. That is also
C or C or no, there may be law.
Lordship, I'm citing some judgments
The cause
also
of
in the
action
notes.
raised stood settled by judicial order, judicial pronouncement, which attained finality.
Lordship.
Whether that same cause of action can be revived by subsequent administrative action.
administrative order. Yes.
Lordship, I'll substantiate on my notes, Lordship, and
This is where that is what you have to find out.
Lordship.
If you have a decision in your favor, then
Lordship.
by one line order we will finish it. And if you do not have, then we have to maybe see it.
My lord.
Anyway, as requested by the Learned Counsel for the state respondent, this is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord. Obliged.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Item number 1.
Yes. That's one number 3.
Yes, my lord.
You're filing any objection or anything?
We'll be filing, your lordship.
You want to file it or just because court is asking you, that's why you're saying?
No, your lordship. Actually, your lordship, we are trying to settle it outside, your lordship, because this is a fight between two sisters, your lordship.
Well, then we'll give you time for filing objection. In the meanwhile, if you settle, do not file objection, come with the settlement.
Your Lordship, as regard to the settlement, we have not received any instruction, Your Lordship.
This is a what, maintenance matter?
No, Your Lordship.
Then?
It's a 528 matter, Your Lordship.
Washing for freezing of an account, your lordship.
Freezing of an account.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The freezing account is frozen by whom? By the police authority, investigating authority.
Yes, your lordship. It's still under
Directed the
investigation,
bank
Yes, your lordship.
to freeze it.
Dispute between two sisters with mother. That matter, Your Lordship, the other. So state has got hardly anything.
So you are for the elder sister, he is from the younger sister. And the state is in the middle.
Reminds me of a very small saying, Your Lordship, with the permission, if I can say.
Freezing is a part of seizure, isn't it? That is what the Supreme Court says. And we'll say Mr. Lindo, Mr. M. Lindo, Learned Counsel for the Respondent number 6. Praise for grant of some time to enable the Respondent number 3 to file an objection in the matter. Prayer alert. List after?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. You will try to settle it.
Yes, your lordship. We're trying to. We've proposed. to
List
settle
after
it
3
down, your
weeks.
lordship.
Please settle it.
We've proposed
Family
for
matter why you
your lordship.
Two daughters, mother.
But then
that is
the
why
sister
try to
is
settle.
very adamant, your lordship.
No, she is ready to settle
Lordship,
provided you
this-
approach. You have not approached her approach.
No, we have proposed, your lordship. We have proposed. We've even spoken. My senior.
Doesn't
Even
know.
Your Lordship, we
spoken
have
to-
not received any
Sir, Kishore,
instruction
your
as
lordship.
today. Settlement, Your Lordship.
We'll give it in writing, your lordship. We'll give it in writing.
So probably she is not instructed.
Yes, your lordship.
After 3
If
weeks.
Your Lordship may kindly fix it after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. There is some urgency in this matter, Your Lordship.
One way is there is a settlement, he approves
So
the
we are
court and
proposing for a
see this
settlement,
court,
Your
if there is a proposal of settlement, this court will definitely encourage it. Okay, and then make it 2 weeks. If that is not there, if something is not there, just make it 2 weeks.
If something can come in writing is.
If there is any settlement, do it within 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Obliged. Item number 2.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, we have taken steps for respondent number 4 and 5, your lordship.
So what happened?
Your lordship, the service
Whether they have
report.
been served or not?
Yes, your lordship.
Whether they have been served or not?
The service report is waited, your lordship. Kindly grant us 2 week time, we will file our service appeal, your lordship.
This is 4 to 9 or 4 to 5?
4 to 5.
It's 4 to 5, Lordship.
So why it is? Yes. Here is 4 to 5, here is 4 to 9.
The petitioner had taken time to verify the address for 4 and 5, Your Lordship.
That is see, notice is issued only to 4 to 5. Then how come ID card will come for 4 to 9? You should before also. Okay. So then it should be by separate note if there are two different distance. Why in one note? At least 2 lines. That is how it should be. So this court will know that their steps have been taken in two different occasions. Yes. Okay. So, what is to be done then if there is no ID card?
Your Lordship,
Even 6 to 9 also.
Your Lordship, for respondent 6 to 9, the service report is waited, Your Lordship.
That is what? What is the service report? It is awaited. Do you understand?
Your Lordship, we filed the application before the post office, so they have not received the status from the concerned post office.
So you will obtain status and file an affidavit. What about 4 and 5? That also you will do the same thing. 4 and 5 you have taken fresh steps after
Yes,
verification of the address, isn't it?
Yes.
Is it correct that you have taken first steps after verification of this? Because
Yes, Your
earlier
Lordship, we
it
have
was
taken
returned because of insufficiency in address.
Yes, Your Lordship,
because
we have taken fresh step for respondent number 4 and 5.
That is okay, whether by correcting the address or in the
Yes.
same address.
No, Your Lordship, we have corrected the address.
So you will obtain status then. The petitioner to obtain status of service in respect of service of notice upon the petitioner to obtain status in respect of service of notice upon the respondent number 4 to 9 and file an affidavit to that effect. Stop. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Item number 3.
Yes.
May it please, Lordship. Your Lordship, we have filed a rejoinder against the affidavit filed by the private respondent as well as the state respondent.
So matter is ready.
So matter may be fixed for hearing.
Yes.
After 3 weeks.
The learned counsel of the petitioner submits that a rejoinder in this matter has already been filed and the matter is ready for hearing. Stop. As prayed for by the parties. When?
3
After
weeks.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
This is matter after 3 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
For hearing. This is matter
For hearing.
Hearing after 3 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Obliged.
Hearing item number 15.
Yes, Mr. Nath. Yes. What is the matter about?
It's a matter in regard to the compensation, my lord.
Land acquisition matter.
It was not acquired properly as per the law, but land was taken for the purpose of extension of the road, existing road.
Your land was taken by the government.
By the government, and they have extended the road by both the sides, existing road, but compensation has not been paid.
So how much area was taken from you?
That is a long area, my lord. They have started construction around 93 kilometers.
No, how much of your area has been taken?
My lord, there is not. It has not been specific in our, my lord.
If it is not specified,
This
how
is
the
around
court will grant relief to you?
25.86 bighas, my lord, total. And there, my lord, my land also is there, my lord, around 5 acres. my lord.
But then, see, right now you are just espousing your own cause, isn't it? Not a
Yes, yes,
this is
yes,
not
my
a
lord.
PIL. So at least there should be mention of how much area. Who is appearing for the state?
Says Mr. Hazarika is appearing.
Where is he?
I have not seen him today.
So what is to be done? Shall we proceed expediting as a state?
Or if this matter is listed sometime next week.
No, if there is no one appearing, if there is no prayer of adjournment, then we'll proceed.
My lord, because apologies, I was not aware of this case. Otherwise, I would have made a mention. My lord, my humble request, if it is listed after 2 weeks.
Mr. Sujit, they also is there in the for the district council.
But the district council is in land acquisition matter. What district council will do? I don't think they will have any role here.
Yes, Your
You know, only in regard to the verification, there was one verification.
I think
about
they are the
land.
authority who issued the land document.
Yes, and also they verified the land.
But in absence of any details, if you are even able to make out a case, which you will pass an order, right? Oh, that is the case when Mr. Hajarika was asked to take a fresh instruction.
Yes, my lord.
Isn't it?
In regard to the
Yes,
compensation.
I think he has placed it on the last occasion.
In fact, my lord, this matter.
Then
if I
Mr.
remember, it
Hajarika's
was-
presence will be required.
Yes,
Yes, my lord.
He will not, Mr. Bhattacharya will not know.
No, my lord.
Yes, even if they. But the problem is that at least there should be somebody instructed.
My lord, I was completely unaware. Otherwise, I would.
Not a question of you. You are not supposed to take it personally, Mister. You
My
are
lord.
state here.
My lord.
You are not Kapi Bhattacharya. You are not appearing in person here.
Yes, my lord.
You are representing state.
Yes.
Okay. Now, at least somebody should be there to stand up and mention if they want adjournment. There is no point making the other council wait.
Yes, my lord.
And then you see that at the last moment you ask for time. Yes. Okay, they are not much relevant. Mr. Kapi Bhattacharya G appearing for the state tribunal submits that Mr. H. Hajarika, the conducting counsel for the state respondent is not available today and prays for adjournment of the matter by 2 weeks. Mr. Nath, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner has no objection. List after 2 weeks.
Under 15.
List after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 16.
Yes.
My lord, here, my lord, I was required to take some instruction, my lord, with regard to shelter appointment.
Yes.
Well, the instruction which they've sent is
Insufficient.
Insufficient, my lord. But they again reiterated that they are in sheltered appointment, but the rules they have not sent, my lord.
So that is what you see. Like we would like to know what is shelter, my lord. Because if you say that somebody is medically incapable, whether he is really incapable or not, because that your finding as to his incapability is under challenge here. So if there is nothing coming from your side, then
my lord, in my humble submission,
there will be inference against you that since he is continuing there for 6 years.
My lord, challenge is not to. He is nowhere said that he is medically fit, my lord. What he is saying that the procedure was not followed for declaring him.
That is the basis of that. If it is he admits that he is medically unfit, then he cannot make a challenge to the procedure.
But he has not said, my lord, in the red person that he is medically.
That is implied.
100% fit. Okay. But 10 days time, my lord. I'll seek specific instructions.
We'll have 2 weeks. We'll not. Yes, Mr. Jha. Yes, Doctor. As prayed for by Dr. Majika. Learned DSGI. Further 2 weeks time is granted to take necessary instruction in terms of order dated 18/10/2024 of this court. List accordingly.
I'll